Good day, this is the persona of Group 5 named Diligent Dugong. Tatay Dugong is a family man who works at a waste management corporation. Tatay Dugong is a diligent, committed employee that suffers from an unbalanced lifestyle and time constraints due to the fact that his time that's supposedly spent on his self-care and family is being eaten by his work.
I'm Alvin Escabarte and I will be discussing one of the features of our product, Smart Waste Bins, which is the durability design and the tip proof. So starting with the durability design, so our team decided to use a material which is yung durability niya is proven and tested naman na by the other company, and that is a anti-corrosion metal. So we decided to use this kasi nga maganda siyang example material since yung product namin deployed siya sa public areas which is prone siya sa harsh weather condition gaya ng typhoon sa intense heat during the summer. And with this material din kasi malilesen natin yung maintenance tsaka ma-ensure natin yung long-term functionality ng product natin which is yung bins. So sa tip proof naman, we will be using a tamper evidence seal tulad nitong nasa illustration. With this kasi we will able to notice kung merong nagtatry na mag-access ng sensors.
My name is Don Kevin Espanyol and I'm going to discuss real-time field level monitoring. The proposed Smart Waste Management System will feature state-of-the-art sensor-equipped waste bins strategically positioned across Barangay Bagong Silang. These bins will be equipped with sensor capable of continuously monitoring P levels in real time. This feature will provide waste management teams with timely and accurate information about the status of each bin, allowing them to proactively manage overflow situations and optimize collection schedules for improved efficiency. Next is objectives. Implementation of smart waste bins. Deploying sensor-equipped waste bins across designated area of Barangay Bagong Silang to enable real-time monitoring of P levels. Next is real-time P level monitoring. Facilitating continuous monitoring of P levels within the waste bins to provide waste management teams with up-to-date information. Last is precise tracking of waste pickup occurrences, enabling precise tracking of waste pickup occurrences and providing detailed information about the P level of waste containers at the time of collection to enhance operational efficiency and customer satisfaction. Next is benefits. Improve operational efficiency. Real-time monitoring of P levels enables waste management teams to optimize collection routes and schedule, reducing operational costs and enhancing overall efficiency. Enhance consumer satisfaction. Precise tracking of waste pickup occurrences ensures timely and reliable waste collection services, leading to increased satisfaction among residents and stakeholders. Last one is minimize environmental impact by minimizing overflow situations and optimizing collection schedules. The Smart Waste Management System contribute to reducing environmental pollution and promoting sustainable waste management practices. Thank you.